In this video, I'm going to walk you through 15 RV parks and campgrounds that are all within 20 miles of Mesa Verde National Park in southwest Colorado. These places tend to fill up fast during the busy season, so I hope this helps you plan ahead and find the perfect spot to stay. I'll show you each park and campground in order of how close they are to the entrance of the park. They're all a short drive away, 20 miles or less, so you'll be close to the action no matter which one you choose. Once we go through all 15, I'll wrap things up with a quick summary showing you which ones have bathrooms, showers, online booking, laundry, dog parks, playgrounds and other fun stuff for kids, swimming pools, and even hot tubs. If you're just here for the amenities, feel free to skip ahead to that section. I've got you covered. Let's dive in and check them out. Mesa Verde National Park is pretty big. It covers about 81 square miles. Most visitors start their trip at the Visitor Center, which is right near the entrance to the park. In this video, I'll show you where each RV park and campground is located based on how far it is from that visitor center. One quick thing to mention, every RV park and campground I cover in this video has hookups at each site. That means you'll have access to electric, water, and or sewer connections. I'm only including places with hookups here. There are other options nearby without hookups, like dispersed camping spots in the surrounding national forest. If that's more your style, check out my other video on how to find dispersed camping. I walk you through the whole process. Moorfield Campground is the only place you can camp right inside Mesa Verde National Park. It's tucked into a quiet canyon surrounded by trees and wildlife. There are 267 sites, including 15 with full hookups for RVs. You'll also find bathrooms, hot showers, laundry, and even a little cafe with an all-you-can-eat pancake breakfast in the summer. Trails start right from the campground, so it's a great base for exploring the park. Next up is Ancient Cedars Mesa Verde RV Park. From the visitor center, it's a short half-mile away. This RV park is located directly across from the entrance to Mesa Verde National Park in Mancos, Colorado. This campground offers a variety of accommodations, including RV sites with full hookups, tent sites, and log cabins. Amenities include a heated pool and hot tub, 18-hole miniature golf course, recreation cabin with games and TV, laundry facilities, and clean restrooms with showers. The park also features 2 dog parks, a playground, and group gathering areas. It's the closest campground to the Mesa Verde Visitor Center. Located next door is the Mesa Verde RV Resort. It's 1 mile from the visitor center. It's easy to confuse it with the Ancient Cedars Mesa Verde RV Park right next door, but this is a different campground. This resort offers a range of accommodations, including full hookup RV sites, tent sites, and cabins. Amenities include a heated swimming pool, 2 hot tubs, laundry facilities, and a well-stocked camp store. The resort is also pet-friendly with a designated dog walking area, but does not have an off-leash dog park. If you're looking for a budget-friendly and convenient camping option near Mesa Verde National Park, consider staying at the Montezuma County Fairgrounds in Cortez. It's located about 5.5 miles away. When there are no events scheduled, the fairgrounds offers RV camping with partial hookups, electric and water, for just $25 per night, or you can dry camp for just $10 per night. It's a quiet, spacious gravel lot that's easy to access, even for larger rigs. Payment is made via an honor box on site, so it's a good idea to bring cash or a check. Caruth Haven RV Park is a small, no-frills campground located just off US 160 in Cortez. It's 6 miles from Mesa Verde National Park. With only 6 back-end sites, each offering full hookups, water, electric, and sewer, it's a quiet and affordable option for RV travelers. While amenities are minimal, there's no bathhouse or laundry, the park is clean, safe, and well-maintained. Next up is the Cortez RV Resort. It's a family-friendly campground located just 8.5 miles from the Mesa Verde National Park. The resort offers a variety of accommodations, including full hookup RV sites, tent sites, cabins, and even teepees. Amenities include a swimming pool, access to the 3-acre Cortez Dog Park, which is located right next door, a playground, a basketball court, and a camp store with a gift shop. Guests can also enjoy walking trails and easy access to nearby attractions like Denny Lake. 7th on our list is the Riverwood RV Resort. Riverwood is a peaceful, family and pet-friendly campground located in Mancos. Situated near the Mancos River and within walking distance to downtown Mancos, the resort offers easy access to local shops and eateries. The resort features 68 spacious RV sites, all equipped with full hookups. Amenities include clean restrooms and showers, coin-operated laundry facilities, a lending library with books and DVDs, and complimentary high-speed fiber optic Wi-Fi throughout the park. Please note that RVs must be self-contained and within a 15-year age limit. Tents, pop-ups, and truck campers are not permitted. La Mesa RV Park is a small, no-frills campground located in Cortez, just 9 miles from the entrance to Mesa Verde National Park. The park features about 40 pull-through and back-end RV sites, accommodating rigs up to 70 feet long. All sites are equipped with full hookups, including 30-50 amp electric, water, and sewer connections. Amenities include high-speed Wi-Fi, coin-operated laundry facilities, and electric vehicle charging stations. Please note that there are no restrooms or showers on site, so self-contained RVs are recommended. Number 9 is the Sundance RV Resort. Sundance RV Resort is a year-round campground located in the heart of Cortez, just 10 miles from Mesa Verde National Park. This park offers 68 level sites with full hookups, accommodating big rigs and slide-outs. Amenities include free fiber optic Wi-Fi, cable TV, clean restrooms and showers, on-site laundry, a grassy dog park, and a covered pavilion with picnic tables. Conveniently situated across the street from Cortez City Park and the Colorado Welcome Center, guests have easy access to walking trails, pickleball courts, a swimming pool, and local shops and restaurants. Outback RV is a peaceful, no-frills campground located in Mancos, Colorado, just 10.5 miles from Mesa Verde National Park and minutes from Cortez. This small seasonal park offers 8 spacious, level pull-through sites with full hookups, making it big rig friendly. It's ideal for self-contained RVs as there are no restrooms, showers, or laundry facilities on site. Amenities include picnic tables, a communal pavilion, and a horseshoe pit. Pets are welcome and cell service is reliable with major carriers. Westview RV Resort is a modern, amenity-rich campground located just outside Cortez, about 8 miles from Mesa Verde National Park. The resort features 93 full hookup RV sites on paved roads with level pads, plus 8 rental cabins. Amenities include clean private showers and bathrooms, coin-operated laundry, and free high-speed Wi-Fi. Recreational facilities include a putting green, pickleball courts, bocce ball, horseshoes, and a playground. For pet owners, there are 2 dog parks. The clubhouse hosts happy hours and potluck events. Unique to the resort is an on-site salon and day spa, offering massages, manicures, pedicures, and haircuts. Echo Basin Cabin and RV Resort is a peaceful campground located in Mancos, 13.5 miles from Mesa Verde National Park. Located in the foothills of the San Juan Mountains, this resort provides over 65 spacious RV sites with full hookups. The sites are shaded by pine trees and are big rig friendly. Free Wi-Fi is available. The resort features a seasonal outdoor pool, pickleball and volleyball courts, horseshoe pits, and a playground for the kids. The on-site bar and grill serves up meals and cocktails during the summer months. Number 13 is Bright Star Campground. It's a unique family-friendly retreat located 14 miles from the entrance to Mesa Verde National Park. Set on 40 acres, it offers panoramic views of Mesa Verde, the La Plata Mountains, and Sleeping Ute Mountain. Accommodations range from tent and RV sites to glamping options like furnished teepees, camping cabins, and a traditional Navajo hogan. All guests have access to amenities including hot showers, clean restrooms, a fully equipped communal kitchen, and a covered pavilion with games like ping pong and foosball. Dolores River RV Resort, located in Dolores, Colorado, is a scenic campground along the north shore of the Dolores River. Situated approximately 18 miles from Mesa Verde National Park, it offers a convenient base for exploring the Four Corners region. The resort provides a variety of accommodations, including full hookup RV sites, tent sites, cabins, yurts, and covered wagons. Amenities across the campground include Wi-Fi, fire pits, picnic tables, and pet-friendly areas. Guests can enjoy on-site activities such as fishing, nature trails, and outdoor games. The resort also hosts seasonal events like ice cream socials and bingo nights. Finally, number 15 is the Views RV Park and Campground. It's located in Dolores, 19.5 miles from Mesa Verde National Park. Guests can enjoy hiking and biking trails on site, as well as easy access to McPhee Reservoir for boating and paddleboarding. Accommodations include spacious RV sites with full hookups, secluded tent sites, and furnished glamping tents. Amenities feature a newly remodeled bathhouse with showers, laundry facilities, a pavilion with barbecue grills, and free Wi-Fi throughout the park. Let's talk campground amenities. If a real bathroom with a shower is a non-negotiable, here's where you'll want to set up camp. If you're the plan ahead type, skip the guesswork. These spots let you reserve online. Ready to wash the trail dust out of your socks? These parks have laundry. If your co pilot has four legs and a tail, check out the campgrounds with dog parks. Slides, putt putt, playgrounds, and space to play. These parks have recreation built in. Looking to cool off or float around after a hike? These parks come with a pool. If your perfect end to a day of sightseeing includes bubbles and jets, here you go. So, whether you're all about the amenities or just want the basics, there's a spot near Mesa Verde that's just right for you. Now, go find your perfect base camp and enjoy your trip.